The amount of dead things on this windshield is ridiculous. This bike absolutely needs a wash. I need a wash. I haven't had a bath since, yeah, it's what's today? So it's Sunday. I haven't had a bath since Friday morning. Not too bad, except for that I was out in Florida heat under trees full of pollen and in a sandy lot, sleeping in the dirt. So a shower is gonna feel oh so good. So right now we have a stopover to make, and we're gonna actually take a shower and probably a nap. So we'll catch up with you later. I found out I guess I can put my GoPro charger on my dash because I forgot it was there. I'm not sure how it would stand getting up on the highway, but seems stable. I will absolutely let you know if it falls off. I mean, well, I guess we'll all know. It's still trying to put me on the toll. This is absolutely very confusing. Tampa, why you do me this way? Do not enter. So I'm not sure where there's gonna be a toll. Nobody told me about no tolls. That must be the toll. So this is a Maui Arena. For those of you that don't know, it's oil for people who are stuck in the Wang. It's probably been, what is it? Oh my God, it's been almost 20 years since I worked in Tampa. On Raymond James Stadium that was brand new then and now is like, I'm sure people just think it's been there forever. You do what you gotta do. Every driver I have seen so far here is either holding a caffeinated beverage or a phone in their hand while they drive. Well, somebody told me, I'm pretty sure that laws in Florida are just vague suggestions. So after missing our turn for the third time, we're gonna run back around again. Wait till I'm a little clearer. I sure don't want to turn. These people are kind of dumb here. Wait till I've got a clearer shot. Very confusing streets. And I'm dehydrated. So why would anybody not want to live here? Oh, that's right, because we can't afford it. Seriously though, if anybody out there knows of a house around this area for about $100,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 4-car garage, half-acre of land, let me know. If you never ask, you'll never know.
So the waitress dropped my credit card under the deck. And they're trying to get it out.
Right here, mine, thank you.
Put it in your wallet.
Okay, I want to do.
Somebody once told
So
me
tell me what your mom told you about your freckles.
that a cow shit on my face. What? She did not. She did! A cow shit on her face. So my mom said I got my freckles from a cow shitting on my face.
So how's that therapy going?
It's angel kisses. They're angel kisses. They're angel kisses.
Okay, so after a weekend of drinking and nothing but beer and whiskey, we did have to go by the Rooftop Bar in Dunedin and actually get real food because man cannot live on beer alone.
What about me?
More than just a few days anyway.
What about me?
So we're gonna be. Are you kidding me? So we're gonna try to down some of this food and calm down some of this alcohol. We're here at the Rusty Lion down in where's it? Dunedin, Florida. We're in Dunedin, Florida at the Rusty Lion and about to dig in, burn off some of this alcohol. We got some tenders de taki, some quesadillas. We got a veggie platter. What is that? I'm not sure what that is.
Thank you.
What do we got there?
Check out the bacon.
Bucket of bacon, baby. Bucket of bacon.
Bucket of bacon. That's like worth $10 right there.
That's the veggie platter.
We got a
We killed all the major animals in
we got a lot of shit going on right there.
Brian, what the hell is
Then we got
that?
some salads.
It's the wing burger combination with the salad, other burger, and French onion soup. The salad is humongous, man.
And I got a bacon bourbon burger cheeseburger and waffle fries.
Oh shit, you gotta sell
Don't miss out. Come on down here and ask for Tony. He'll treat you right. We're still down in Palm Harbor, I think. So on the road today, trying to get as far as we can. You know how trips go. We started out, wanted to leave this morning by 8 o'clock, and due to good friends and good things to talk about, topics, coffee, they offered coffee, had to stay. We're not getting out till our time 10, so it's actually 11 here because I didn't bother to change the time on the motorcycle because I'm going back. Why not? Daylight savings time screwed me up enough. So we are on our way out of the country. Feels like. All right, guys, we're on the road. Okay, so we got hungry. Now it's so now we're not leaving Tampa. Actually, we're not even back in Tampa yet, so we're not even on the road until noon. So I guess it's not a real important thing we get home tonight, but we'll do what we can. We're obviously not gonna make it all the way home tonight, so tomorrow. Now let's go. Oh look, 360 miles without stopping in a cornfield. I think I can do this. Driving through the cornfields and the soybean fields, probably the worst experience ever. It was okay if I didn't have to drive 800 miles that day. So we have 812 left now on our trip. We'll probably end up stopping somewhere tonight, but for this long distance traveling like this, having to get somewhere and do something, I like the highways. Highways are good. All right, leaving Tampa. We're officially out. I'd like to say goodbye to all the people who have done such awesome things this weekend. Dave and Cindy at the Forgotten Angels compound, Shade Tree, Shay, her two wheels, Biker Babe Beth. How could I forget her? Just, and all the hospitality from Mike Branch, Two Wheel Terror, Any Two Wheels, Casey. You guys are freaking awesome. I wanted to just tell everybody how fantastic it was to meet all of you and spend time with you. So you guys keep the rubber side down. I'll see you all soon. All right, tragic report. So my headset died. So now I'm wired up to my phone, which actually works a little bit better. And I can even receive phone calls because there's a microphone in the earphones. So win-win. I probably won't make this a normal occurrence, but I will make it. I will be sure to charge my headset next time before I take off for my trip.
I also found out that I could have my Cardo hooked up to a battery backup. At one point, I had the Cardo and my GoPro both hooked up to a battery backup because I had forgotten to charge them before the trip.
This sundown would probably look better without all the bugs on the windshield, but whatever. Tanger Outlet Mall. Oh, we must be home. Hey, they have QTs here. Hey, I know where I'm getting breakfast. All right, QT. So, okay, for breakfast, we're getting QT. At least getting some coffee in the Bronin. So we still have 407 miles to go. I don't really give a shit. But I wanted to get under 400 miles, but all right, so I'm not even sure where we are. We're somewhere between Macon and Atlanta, apparently. So leaving the hotel, on the road, 62 degrees, gentle breeze. I'm about to make it a 80 mile an hour breeze. So talk to you guys in a little bit. We're gonna try to outrun the rain, but I think we need to stop. So I don't think we're gonna beat the rain. So, but we're all kitted up. We got our rain suit on. Each individual of us have a rain suit, not just, you know, the same one. So the weather report for here says they're only getting tornadoes, not rain. So we'll be clear, I think, until we get up around 2 below. So the last hour of our trip will be in tornadoes and rain. So that's not too bad. I don't mind rain, obviously. But these winds, they suck. Don't like these winds. Especially when you brake around the end of a truck and it tries to shove you off the road. Luckily, I'm on the Cadillac. She got some good control. She's very intuitive, as they say in the industry. So I don't think she'll be blowing off the road. Well, we had to stop for a pit stop. And the lady in the rest stop told us, well, she advised us not to keep going. And that's kind of hard on a motorcycle because it's not like you can say, okay, well, I'm just going to shelter on the motorcycle and hang out here on the side of the road for a couple hours, because well, you're better off just driving than you are sitting on a motorcycle. So we're off again. I'm missing Florida already. The winds are blowing about 60 miles an hour. We need those trees on the side of the road back. All those big hills. So we'll be home in about an hour and a half. And I was thinking, well, we'll just eat at home tonight because I don't want to have to ride back out in this. And then I realized I have a car at home. Yep. Oh, we're into it now. As long as the wind stays down, we're fine. We did have to pull off at one point because it was raining so hard I couldn't see the road, and we did find a underpass to hide under, and so it got clear. So now we're trying to make the final shot home. Wouldn't be so bad, except I didn't get my pants, so I'm soaked. Luckily I got butt heater and hand heater, so it's not really that bad, although less than optimal. But I'm gonna make it. Let's roll. So it is really hard for me to see, so I tried to pass earlier, but I couldn't see where I was going, but I could see the marker lights on this semi. So I'm gonna stay behind this semi, because at least then I can see the road. I can aim for the spot between his trailer, and I'll just stay behind him, and that should get me to where I need to go. I hope he doesn't get off on an exit. I'm not ready to get off yet. So we passed the point of equilibrium and had to pass the truck because it was throwing up more water than it was shielding us from. But thank you anyway, Mr. Trucker. You were a big help. Well, fuck me. Shit, I can't see. I can't see shit. Fuck. I'm gonna get back behind him. Fuck. Well, that wasn't a good thing. Oh, my feet are full of fucking water. I would have done it on a curve because behind us, there's nothing. It's all these trucks. Now there's nothing. Look at that. All that shit was coming from the truck. And just like that, everything stops. Oh yeah. But it's very slick. Yeah, the bike does great. My feet, on the other hand, no traction.
Alright guys, we're almost home. So like, comment, hit that bell, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the road.